Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. So it looks like today we're doing number 172. Let's start with this bottom row here. Looks like we're missing 5 and 8. There's an 8 here. So 5, 8. For this column, looks like we're missing 8 and 9. We've got a 9 here. So 8, 9. For this box now we're missing 7 and 8. Oh, we've got an 8 here. So 7, 8. For this column then we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're missing 6 and 8. We've got the 8 here. So 6, 8. To finish out this box we're missing a 3. For this box, we're missing 4, 5, and 7. We've got 7s covering both of these, so this must be our 7. We don't see any other help, so 4, 5, 4, 5. For this box, we're missing 4, 7, and 9. We've got a 4 here. So 7, 9, 4 here, 7, 9. That means our 4 has to be here. For this row then, we're missing 6 and 9, and I don't see any help. So 6, 9, 6, 9. And for this box then, we're also missing a 5, which must be here. For this row, we're missing 1, 4, and 5. We've got the 4 there. So 1, 5, 1 and 4 here. So that makes this our 5, 1, 4, 5. For this box now, we're missing 6, 8, and 9. We've got the 6 covering here and here, so 8, 9, 8, 9. That means our 6 has to be here. For this column, looks like we're missing a 5. For this row, we're missing 4, 8, and 9. We've got an 8 here, so 4, 9, and 8 here. So 4, 9. That means our 8 has to be here. For this row, we're missing 2 and 5. We've got a 2 here. So 5, 2. For this column now, we're missing 3, 6, 7, and 9. We've got the 6 and 7 here, so 3, 9, 6 and 9 here, so 3, 7, and no help here, so 3, 6, 7, 9. For this column, we're missing 1, 3, 4, and 9. We've got 1 and 4 here. So 3, 9, 1 here, and 9 here, so 3, 4, 4 here, so 1, 3, 9. So it looks like, yeah, that's not going to help yet. Okay. For this column, we're missing 4, 5, 6, and 9. We've got the 5, 6, and 9 here. So this is our 4. That makes this our 9, 4. That 9 makes this our 6, 9. This 9 makes this our 3. This our 1. This 3 makes this our 7. This 4 makes this our 3, 9, 6. All right, so then to finish out this box, we need a 5. For this row, we need 3 and 7. There's a 3 here. So 7, 3. For this box then we're missing 2 and 8. We've got a 2 here. So 8, 2. That 8 makes this our 9, 8. That 9 makes this our 7, 9. And there we have it for today's puzzle. I hope you have an awesome day. Thank you so much for joining me today, and come back tomorrow and we will do our next puzzle.